What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. If you can't tell, we are starting this video in my car. I have to run a bunch of stuff to the storage unit, but made a video yesterday, but I wasn't really happy with the outcome. I didn't really get much done. It was more talking than anything. So in this video, we are going to start disassembling my spare engine. I started my car up yesterday and it's blowing blue smoke, so I'm going to guess that's a head gasket. But yeah, so we're still going to dyno it. I don't care if the head gasket is going. We're still going to dyno it and see what it's doing. And I might pressure test it, but I don't know. But as of right now, we're heading to the storage unit, and I'm going to start disassembling that engine. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I got the engine in here, next to the BMW engine. But here's all my Honda parts. We got everything from Gates water pump, ARP head stud, Gates RPM racing timing chain. We have some suspension components, and we have some forged pistons and rods. We have some bearings all in here. Full gasket set back there. So pretty much have a good set on everything on the engine. The only thing we don't have is an intake, but fortunately I have a skunk intake on my car as of now. Yeah, so got a bunch of stuff, bunch of Honda stuff. And here's the engine. As you can tell, this engine has been sitting outside. I don't know if you can tell in there, but it's pretty rusty. And if you notice that the cylinder walls are rusty as well, but fortunately those forged pistons and rods are actually 50 over, so we're going to have to take this to the machine shop, which I was going to have it hot tanked anyways, and then they will bore these cylinders out 50 over, so pistons will work on them. So what we're going to be doing right now is just disassembling everything to a bare block, getting everything off that we don't need, which would be literally everything. We're going to take all the pistons out, we're going to take the camshaft out, we're going to take, or not the camshaft, we're going to take the crank out. Yeah, we have literally every tool to take everything off. So the first, we're going to be taking this alternator off so we can remove the belt, and then we'll be taking the timing chain cover off. Well, we'll be taking off the crank first, the crank pulley first, and then we'll take timing chain cover off. That way we can get this timing belt off. Then we can flip the engine, pull the oil pan, pull all the connecting rods, the main bolts for them, which I'm going to be replacing with ARP. And yeah, we're going to be spinning hopefully about 8,000 RPM on this engine. After a lot of persuasion, finally got the alternator off. But I absolutely hate rusty crank. Next, I'm going to take the oil pickup off. Followed that by the cradle, whatever it's called. I can't remember. Alright, so those are like 10s. Pull this front oil pan or oil pump off. And now we can do the connecting rod bearing or main bolts. You pull those off, I believe. Those are 13 if that's the case. I don't have a 13 here. Alright guys, so the crank is out. We have the crank right over there. Everything came out nice. The bearings didn't look bad or anything, but that doesn't matter. Let's get this camera a little bit closer. The inside of that Milky, like I said, it's been sitting outside, so the rain got in it. Alright guys, so the engine is in the trunk. I am actually going to drop it off at a machine shop that is close to me. They're going to be boring it over. I got to grab my pistons from the storage unit because they're going to be boring it to the size of the pistons, obviously. Yeah, they're going to be hot taking it too. So now what I want you guys to do is I want to do like a hot boy engine bay. So I want you guys to comment below and decide what color I should paint the block. Either most suggestions or the ones with the most likes, or the one I like the most if there's not a lot of comments, I will pick. But yeah, so that should be done in a week. So you probably won't hear from me for a week, but yeah. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'm sorry I didn't get a lot of the engine disassembly done. My camera died. Actually, I'm going to be ordering another battery and a charger so I can record a little bit more, or maybe I might just go out and get a new GoPro. I don't know. But yeah, give this a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. But wait, there's more. I forgot to show you guys these Viterra, I think that's what they're called, Viterra right here. But they already have the ARP main bolts, I think they're called, but I can't remember terminology very well. But yeah, they already have the bolts, so I gotta bring all the pistons over so they can be bored properly.